Welcome to this video on how to earn cryptocurrency by playing RollerCoin. RollerCoin is an online game that simulates crypto mining. In this game, you can build your own virtual mining farm and compete against other players. To get started, sign up for free at rollercoin.com, customize your avatar, and begin playing mini games. These games are fun, easy, and take about 60 seconds. Every time you win, your mining power increases, allowing you to earn real cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. The key to success in RollerCoin is to keep playing mini games to boost your mining power and invest in mining equipment. This equipment helps you mine crypto even when you're not playing. Make sure to complete daily tasks and participate in events to maximize your earnings. RollerCoin also has a vibrant community where you can learn tips and tricks from other players. Remember, while you won't get rich overnight, RollerCoin is a legitimate way to earn small amounts of crypto while having fun. Start playing today and turn your gaming into real earnings.